Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nadifa, and today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. I was getting ready to go out and I thought, why not film this look? So this is a look that I created. It's a really nice sparkly cut crease. I'm so in love with this makeup look. It's so beautiful and it was so easy to do. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I'm just starting off with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Lotion, and I'm just applying this all over my face as a moisturizer before I get started with my makeup. Now I'm just going ahead and using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have been loving this primer. It is so great for people with oily skin, and I have oily skin and I've noticed a big difference in how my makeup stays in place and no oils peek through all day. And just to finish off with my base, I'm going ahead and applying my Pixi Beauty Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the rose water and green tea one. This is my favorite mist to apply before starting off with my makeup because I feel like it brings so much hydration, so much glow, like I mentioned before in my previous videos. This is my favorite step, so I'm just going ahead and spraying this all over. And of course, my usual, I'm color correcting my face, and to do so I'm using my MAC Peach Lustre color correcting stick, and I'm applying this in my areas where I feel like I have hyperpigmentation, so that's around my mouth and under my eyes, and just to soften this orange up before going ahead in with foundation, I'm just putting my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer over that and blending it all out. For foundation, I'm grabbing my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation and I'm mixing two colors. I grabbed the shade Light Beige and Natural Beige, and I'm just mixing them together and applying them onto my face in sections just to avoid getting makeup on my hijab. Now to prime my eyes, I'm just putting on my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette that came in my Too Faced Christmas Cookie House Party Christmas set. Now, in my previous video, I had mentioned that this was from a previous year's Christmas collection. That is a mistake. This is actually for this year's Christmas collection. I guess they just released it so early that I don't know, for some reason thought it was from a previous year, but it is from this year, and I love this palette so much. I keep on using it, so here we are using it again. So I grabbed the shade Oh Snap, which is a nice chocolate brown, and I'm just using this to carve out my crease, and I'm really concentrating this on my crease and just really smoking that out. Now, to cut the crease, I'm going to be grabbing my NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm grabbing this Morphe brush. This is the M410 brush, and I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to cut out my crease. Now, the key to this is taking it slow and kind of mapping out how high you want the crease to be. So you can see that I start off by first drawing a line in the center and then working my way to the ends of my eyes. So now I'm grabbing the shade I Love Yule, which is a really nice shimmery rose gold type of color, and I'm grabbing my Firm Shadow brush by Morphe, and this is the M124 brush, and I'm just packing this on all over the crease. Now, just to add some dimension to the eyes, I'm going ahead in with my Morphe E17 blending brush, and I'm grabbing the shade Oh Snap again, which is the same color we used in our crease, and I'm just adding that to the outer corners of my eyes, just to give it a little more dimension and just to add a little bit more to the eyes. So now I'm just applying some concealer, and I'm grabbing my Tarte Creaseless Under Eye Concealer, and I'm applying this a little differently than usual. I'm applying it under my eyes, but then I'm bringing it down my face. I find that this trick really helps to make my face look more slim and not as round. And of course, with any excess concealer that's on my sponge, I'm just going ahead and applying that to my T-zone, so that's on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and a little on my chin. Next, I'm grabbing my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm using this to set all the areas that I've concealed, just so that it doesn't move and it stays in place. For brows, I grabbed my Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 4, and I did my brows off camera. So now I'm just going ahead and wiping away all of the translucent powder that was baking on my face. So now I'm grabbing my Morphe E35 brush, which is this nice small brush, and I'm grabbing the shade Oh Snap, which is the nice chocolate brown shade that I used in my crease and in my outer corners, and I'm just smoking this onto my lower lash line. Then I'm going back in and I'm smoking out my outer corner once again, and I'm just bringing it out more and trying to create a better and more defined V shape. For eyeliner, I wanted to have a really dramatic wing, so to do so, I'm using my Kat Von D tattoo liner to do so. For lashes, I'm grabbing the Kiss 11 lashes. These are my favorite drugstore lashes. They are so affordable and they are just so beautiful. So I'm just going ahead and applying those. And once I have those on, I'm just going ahead and using some mascara. So I grabbed my L'Oreal Telescopic, and I'm just going ahead and applying some mascara onto the falsies and onto my lower lash line. So for contour, I'm grabbing my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm applying this with my Morphe M530 brush. For blush, I'm grabbing this NYX blush in the shade Cocoa, and I'm applying this onto my cheeks using my Sonia Keshik blush brush. For highlight, I'm grabbing my favorite Champagne Pop highlight by Becca, and I'm applying this using my Morphe M501 brush. And using my Morphe M431 brush, I'm grabbing the highlight shade and I'm just adding that to the inner corners of my eyes to add a little bit more of a pop to the look. For lipstick, I mixed two colors. Both of them are the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte lipsticks. So I first went in with Graduation Day, and to top it off, I put on the shade Anniversary. Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more tutorials, then please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you have any suggestions on videos that you would like me to do, then please do comment down below and let me know. And if I didn't mention any of the products that I used, I will definitely list them all down below in the description box, so do check that out. And yeah, that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!